Hello, thank you for choosing Axon Pediatric software. This video will give you the brief demo on how the Axon Pediatric software works. First of all, please find Axon icon on your desktop and just double click on it. As soon as you'll double click, this login screen will be put. Here by default there is no password. All you have to do is just click on submit. Later on, if you want to add up any password, you can. We do have a functionality in this software to add up new password. Now this is the main screen of our software. From here you will be able to operate all the function. As soon as the new patient comes up, all you have to do is just click on new case and the case number will come automatically. You don't have to worry about the sequence of the case number. It will be managed by the software. Then add the name of the patient, middle name, last name, date of birth. You can choose the date of birth from this calendar. Or sometimes what happens that if the patient is coming from very poor village area, then in that case parents might don't know the exact date of birth of the patient. So in that case you can have a guess that this patient might be 2-year-old or 3-year-old. For example, the patient is 2-year-old, so just tap it down to Y and the software will take approximately date of birth by itself, male or female, from which location the patient is coming. Define that one here. After you enter this information about the patient, just click on register to register your patient. After that, as you can see, these are the blue numbers showed up here. These are the range. It shows that 2-year-old patient's weight supposed to be in this range, height supposed to be in this range, and head circumference supposed to be in this range. To enter the weight, just click on weight box and you can choose the weight from this pop-up box. You can also add up the decimal points. Same for the height. You can add up here, or you can just simply type it down. Same for the temperature. As you can see, whatever I have added, it add up here. To calculate the BMI of the patient, just click on BMI here and software will calculate by itself. Now let's move on to the clinical note part. Just click on the clinical note here. It's basically a major complaint which patient has. For example, this patient has a chief complaints like he's having fever with the chills and it's continuous since last 1 week or 1 month or 1 day. Whatever you want to add up, you can add it up. As you can see, whatever I have selected, it's up here now. You can just add up your new category also. For example, I'm adding up a new category, taste. Then if I want to add its a subcategory, taste 1, its subcategory, taste 2. As you can see, this is all up here. To go to the main screen, just click on return to main screen and whatever you have selected there, it's now on the main screen. Now let's move on to the diagnosis part. Here, as you can see, we have already added up so many diagnoses. You can choose it from the list, or if you want to add the new diagnosis, just click on new diagnosis here and add up the diagnosis name, its ICD code, and or if you want to add any precautions regarding the medicines, you can. After that, just click on save and it'll be on the list. Now here's the ICD code. If you are using the ICD code, we do have a facility to import the ICD code, so you can import it. Now here's the medicine. We have a list of medicine prepared already. You can choose it from the list, or if you want to add the new medicine, just click on new medicine here. Select the drug group, medicine name, its formulation, company, strength per ml, dose in mg per kg per day, fixed dose. Alright, so if you want this medicine to calculate as per the patient weight, then do not add the fixed dose. Otherwise, just add up the fixed dose to override the rule. Then frequency, number of days, Then if you want to see this medicine in both or only in IPD or only in OPD, you can just select it. If you want to add any instruction regarding the medicine, you can choose it from the list. Then just click on save. If you want to clear this medicine from the list, you can. Now here is the standard RX part. For sometimes what happened, I'll take the example of malaria, that for the malaria patient, there are few medicine which is standard. So to make a standard template for the medicine, just click on standard RX here. Add up the standard template name and just click on save. And if next time any patient comes up and you think that this standard template will go with this, so just click on view RX, select the template. Here you can also add up the new medicine or just clear it up, whatever you wish to do. And just click on select, and the selected template's medicine will be in the main screen. If you want to give any advice to the patient, just select the patient advice from the list, or if you want to add the new one, you can from here. To print this advice in the RX, just click on add to RX and it will be printed in the screen. Now to see how the right hand side part of the software works, please watch our video number 2 for the demonstration. Thank you.